So boys and girls, today we are going to walk on the 660 again. Plan on doing got an axle and a wheel band to put in. We got a spring and some shims to put in. And we got to go ahead and drain the fluids out, get it put back on. And we're going to show how to put a homemade lift on for free. And we're going to get this thing set up today. We're going to have a right. It's going to be a how-to. I might split it up in 3 pieces if it's long, or I might have it in just 1 piece. But stay tuned, my friends. We'll start on this. I almost forgot to measure it to see how high we are right now. So right now, we're about, see if we can get that. Somewhere about 14.5 is the lowest spot. So we're 14.5. We're gonna lift it up just a little bit. See how much lift we get. Step 1 is to go ahead and jack it up. And I'll show y'all, I gotta put a wheel band in. As you can tell, she's pretty bad. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in too while we're at it. But jack it up and take both wheels off. The next step is you're gonna take that nut off. You're supposed to have like a crush thing. Let's see if this thing has a dust cap on it. See if I can get this off right fast. Yeah, no, that's a quarter pin. These have quarter pins instead of the dust cap style. I actually like this style better. But a lot of them have the bead in kind. We have to bead on it to lock it. But these, you just take them right off. But we gotta take that other side, this side, off. And then the rest of it's pretty simple. Okay, now that we got that off, now you're gonna take these 2 off right here. Now, in case anybody's wondering, normally you can take these off first, but the reason I did it first is in case you don't have a vise, which I do have a vise over there with trap tile. You just take this off. If not, try holding the axle while taking that off. It is not fun, but this is gonna hold it. So now you can take these 2 top and bottom off, and that's about it. Then we just pull it right off. Let's go ahead and get this up. Okay, now that we got that bolt out, and we gotta get this one out. I don't think I can do this with one hand. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but I might have to put the phone down. I'll put it down to take it out. Okay, now that we got all this loose, we can go ahead and pull this out. Ooh, you guys can see my wheel band. Fell all the pieces. See all my little balls that went everywhere. Okay, now all you got to do is pull it out. This is not easy with 2 hands. I probably should have had somebody help me with this, but you push in and you pull out. That's all you have to do. I can't quite do it with one hand because the A-arm keeps catching me. So let me put this down again. Okay, so I had to do a little extra. I had to take the shock mount off because last time it fell off and I could pull it out, but this time it didn't want to come off. Now this is the reason I'm replacing it. As you can see, the oil's all nasty because this piece is broken. It's supposed to be up there. I tried doing everything I can to get it back on there, and it won't stay. It's broken. So I had to order a new one because that thing broke off. Brand new boots on it, but luckily got a new axle, and yeah, this will be a good spare axle, but gotta flush that diff out from where it's full of water. It's just nasty, but it won't take long to flush that out and get that all cleaned out. But we'll have that in no time. Now we just got to get the new axle and the new wheel band, because as you can see, the wheel band is shot. Aha! Look at that shiny thing. Got that metal piece. Never open. Whew. Nothing like a fresh thing. So those are 2 side by side. Pretty much the same. East Lake axles. And this is what I was talking about earlier. You got to dent this end right here in order to lock it. I don't like that as much as I like the quarter key that these have. They're way better design in my opinion. Got to put this wheel band in. Where's the piece at? I lost it. It's somewhere around here. Where did I put that? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I got to put we got to put this wheel band in, and then we be ready to go. Okay, so got the axle on. You take this knuckle, you flip the tall end up and the short end down. Then we got this. This is what we got here. Out of the way. And now we end up with, what do we end up with? About 15 3/4. We got a little bit of lift, not a whole lot, but more than what we got.